Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam. Qul ayyu shay'in akbaru shahada. Qulillah shahidun bayni wa baynakum. وأوحي إلي هذا القرآن لأنذركم به ومن بلغ أئنكم لتشهدون أن مع الله إلهة أخرى قل لا أشهد قل إنما هو إله واحد وإنني بريء مما تشركون. Translation: Say, whose testimony is greatest? Say, Allah is a witness between me and you, and this Quran has been revealed to me that I should warn you with it, and also to those whom it reaches. Do you really testify that there are other gods besides Allah? Say, I do not testify nor witness. Say, He is the only one Allah, and indeed I am innocent and quit of that you associate to him. Hazrat Ibn Abbas Razillah Ta'ala anhu narrated that Naham bin Zayd, Qurum bin Ka'ab, and Bahari bin Umru, who were among the polytheists of Mecca, came to Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and said, O Muhammad, do you know about any God other than Allah? Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, La ilaha illallah. There is no God except Allah, and I am sent with this message and I invite towards this message. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent this ayah that we recited, that O Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, say that whose testimony is the biggest testimony, and then answer yourself that Allah is the witness between me and you, and who can be a bigger witness than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He has made me the prophet with the message La ilaha illallah, and I invited towards that, and I am steadfast on this message myself. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had given the miracles to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and it proved that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was the prophet. And the Quran which was revealed to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, so that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam will invite towards the Tawheed, the oneness of Allah, La ilaha illallah. And there is also a point in this ayah that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has sent Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam towards the polytheists of Makkah, and also to whom the Quran reaches, meaning that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has sent him to the whole humanity, as in Surah Sabah translation, and we have sent you towards the whole mankind as a prophet, as the one who gives the glad tidings and the one who warns, but most of people don't know. In a hadith, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that I swear the one who has my soul, that in this nation whoever gets the news of my prophethood and the religion I am given, if he does not accept that and dies, he will be among the people of hellfire, whether he is a Jew or a Christian. In the end of the ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, do you really testify that there are other gods besides Allah? Say, I do not testify nor witness. Say, Allah is the only one Allah, and indeed I am innocent and quit that you associate to him. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and make us steadfast on the concept of Tawheed 100%. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.